Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today in the Crazy Baker kitchen we're going to be making a white chocolate fudge. Now I think you'll be wondering, fudge, it's not that type of fudge you eat chunks of. This is a fudge which is basically a filling and a topping. You can almost do anything with the stuff. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget your recipes below the video in the description, and also you can find it on my Facebook page at Traditional Bakery. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. And for your recipe, you want 80 grams of white chocolate. Now this is white chocolate chip, which is designed for baking. So it takes a lot longer to melt down. Now you can use ordinary chocolate if you like. Bars of chocolate straight from the supermarket, that's fine. And also you want 368 grams of baker's fondant. Now this is baker's fondant I've made up. There is a link below the video in the description, so you can make your own fondant. And all we need to do now is have your fondant and put your chocolate straight into the fondant. Now we're going to pop that into the microwave for around about 1 to 2 minutes, just to melt down. Now you can melt this down on a bain-marie, which is basically a saucepan with a pot in the top with water underneath. And you can do that on your hob if you prefer. It's a slower method, but I always prefer to do the microwave method. It's much easier and quicker. And us bakers, if we can find a trick to make something a little bit quicker for ourselves, then we will. And likewise, this is basically a hack for you guys. Use the microwave, don't use the hob. There we go. Give that a good stir around. You can do this separately, where you do your chocolate first and then add it into your fondant. But I prefer to do it this way. Now if you're using bars of chocolate, this would melt in very fast. But because there's less fat in this chocolate, it tends not to break down as fast. Well, there you go guys, it's that simple. Now this product is brilliant for doing your tops of cakes, filling. I use it for donuts, and I also use it for no-bake products, which is really nice. And also this is the same type of product they use in cabbage cream eggs. Basically a fondant with a cream of some description in it. Like I've just showed you, this is chocolate, and the same sort of thing is they'd be using a fondant with whatever they put in it. Now this would go down actually nice as a cabbage cream egg, because obviously the flavour of this, you got your white chocolate flavour with the fondant, so it's nice and soft. And then if you wanted to use a bit of egg, because it's almost like a eggy sort of colour, then you could use sort of a nice yellowy colour to go into that, and it swirl it round, and you've got a beautiful like cabbage cream egg filling. Do it yourself. Don't forget guys, the recipe for making the fondant is in the description. Also, your recipe for making the chocolate fudge is also in the description. Please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel, in the Crazy Baker kitchen. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes, reviews, I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!